Technology is becoming more powerful, more influential, and more difficult to understand. Artificial intelligence is only one part of that story. The systems shaping the modern world now reach far beyond AI alone. MetaLogic Labs is a channel dedicated to understanding how modern technology actually works. We start with artificial intelligence because it is one of the most misunderstood technologies of our time. But over time, this channel will expand into the wider systems shaping the digital world. From algorithms and automation to platforms, infrastructure, and the hidden logic behind the technology people use every day. The goal is simple: clear explanations, calm analysis, and a better understanding of the systems shaping the future. If you want to understand technology without the hype, subscribe to MetaLogic Labs.